Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are actually helping out our little friend.
Yes.
So, Mariam has asked us to draw an octopus.
Octopus.
Are you ready for this, Izzy?
Yep.
We're gonna help out?
Yeah.
Yep, here we go. So, in the middle of the page here at the top,
Yeah.
we're going to draw two circles that's connected to each other.
Yeah.
So, drawing that and that.
Okay.
And you see, that's gonna make eyes. So now I want to draw two little reflections first. So a little circle there and a little circle there.
Yeah.
Now we are drawing the actual pupil. Cute little eyes, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so now are you coloring in? Okay, I'm gonna leave mine so I can color it to whatever color I want, but yours is fine like that. I'm gonna draw a smile,
Yeah.
and then you double up on its smile to make an open mouth shape. Nice. We're going to give this octopus two little butt teeth because it looks cute,
Yep.
and the tongue at the bottom. Got that?
Yeah.
So, from the bottom side of his head, we're gonna go all the way around and draw a full head shape. So, from there, we go around and we make a head.
Yeah.
You got it? That's cool. Now, easy. This is the fun part. How many legs does an octopus have?
8.
He doesn't have any legs, it's called tentacles.
Yeah.
Okay, just joking with you, man. 8 tentacles, 8 legs, that's fine. Okay, so we're going to draw 4 lines on this side,
Yeah.
squiggly lines to make tentacles, and then 4 from that side.
Yeah.
So here's my first one, watch me. And I'm curling it up.
Yeah.
And we draw another one that side, curl it up. So we've got one on each side.
Yeah.
So from here, we just draw another one, just like that. And then from there, we draw the second one on this side. Now for the third one on this side. For the fourth one on this side. And the fourth one on this side. So now what do? Now we got 8 random lines, but we need to follow on that shape, double it up to make legs. So watch here. Following back, same along the same line, and I actually just bring it together there. And we do it on the other side, or do you want to just continue?
Take something.
Okay, wait. Let me see. Okay, see? So you need to take this leg and connect it to that line. That's fine. You can just fill in your line there. 1, 2. You'll just add another one. So complete these lines. Here we go. And there we go to the middle. See, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have 4 on that side? How many lines do you end up with?
That's 5. 6.
Yeah.
7.
And you make 8. Bring 8 down. That's fine, that's perfect.
8.
Just make sure you have 8. Then you have an octopus.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got 8. Okay, so that's mine. And now I'm filling in these lines. I know this might have been a bit confusing for you. And that one, and I join that line up there. You see, I'm just joining each line with the following back down.
Yeah.
Am I confused? 1, 2, 3. And now this one. 4. Yeah, that's 8 legs each side. But now easy. On the bottoms, they have little suction cups. So we need to draw little circles, but just along the edge. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Let me see. Just along the edge, you can do little circles. Little circles all along the edge. The tip of my marker is a bit funny, or is it drying out?
Yeah.
Let's draw these circles, little suction cups. You think you're gonna be able to fit in everywhere? Oh, you finished? Wow.
Yeah, I fast like the flash.
You fast like the Flash.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'm slow. I'm slow like a turtle.
Yes.
Or a snail.
Yes.
And I've almost got all my little suction cups.
Alright, finish my suction cup.
You finished yours? Okay, so so that's mine.
Yeah.
But I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs.
Yeah.
8 tentacles. Now we're gonna add little circles just for patterns. Just little random circles. You can put it anywhere you want.
I don't want mine.
You don't want circles on yours. Okay, you don't have to add circles on it, but mine's gonna have a few spots.
Yeah. Why didn't give me a hat?
You wanna give him a hat? You can give yours a hat.
Yes.
You can do
You
what
know what hat is it?
No.
Christmas hat.
A Christmas hat. Okay, a Santa's hat. Let's see. How do you do a Santa's hat?
But you make a cloud.
Well, first we make a cloud.
Then do this. Then you make like a.
Okay, so you've got a Santa hat on his head and I've got little patterns. That's cool. Which one do you think Mariam's gonna like? The Santa hat one? Or the pattern one?
Maybe the Santa.
Maybe she can do both. Maybe she can do patterns and put the Santa hat on his head. So there we go. That's our little octopus, everybody. Okay, time to color, Easy.
Yep.
What are we gonna go with? I think I'm making mine a green octopus. Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our little octopi. So Izzy's one is blue, but he's wearing a Santa hat.
Yes.
My one is green, and he has purple spots.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it tunnel? Tunnel. Feel like from the movie.
Does it feel like it's from a movie?
Yeah.
Which movie?
The Grinch.
The Grinch.
Yeah.
What? Because of his color?
Yes.
Okay, he's also green. You're right. You're correct. Anyway, I hope Mariam's gonna like this one.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.